Hi, everyone, and thank you for visiting and for following me. I appreciate that. I have a couple questions that I want to address. I know you've seen quite a few posts, so I wanted to have a video this time to accompany um, to address one of the questions. So let's get started. The first question is, who's the Real Impact Group and who are you? So the Real Impact Group is an educational consulting company. They also do some business consulting as well. My name is Dr. Chandra Terrell Williams, and I am an executive consultant for the Real Impact Group. I like what they were doing, what they stand for, and I negotiated a contract where at the moment I am not drawing a salary nor a commission. However, that could possibly change in December or January of 2027, and I'm okay with that. But at this point, we are working collectively to develop programs and other services for individual schools and school districts. The most recurring question that I've had for the past 2 weeks is what do you use and how do you schedule so many posts? So I want to bring your attention to Buffer, BUFFER.com. I use Buffer, the free version of Buffer, because right now I have 3 social media accounts attached to it. If I were to assign another social media account like Facebook or YouTube to my account, then it would be a paid service. I do have a paid service through Google One to use Google Videos, and I'll talk about that more later. But to schedule your post, I probably work on post once a week for about an hour or two. I go ahead to Buffer, I schedule a new post, and you see up here for create post. I don't normally do tags or anything like that. Look, I'm learning a lot as I go along. But so far, I have my TikTok account, my Instagram account, and my Threads account. So in this section, you start writing, and I've already have something that I can paste there. You do not have to figure it out alone. This is the purpose of the Real Mentoring Program. You may have seen a post that I put out for mentoring for $25 a month. But if you want to join today, then I'm going to put a code in there called Dollar, DOLLAR, and you can join for $1. And we meet weekly and we answer questions. Okay, what do I have here? People need a safe place to ask questions, talk through ideas, and receive honest feedback. The Real Impact Group is for business owners, entrepreneurs, educators, parents, graduate students, aspiring authors, and people trying to organize their next. That should be mentoring program. So you see, I just schedule it. Join the Real Impact Mentoring Program for $25 a month. Sign up today. Sign up today with the code dollar and join for $1. Enroll here. So I need to go into Stripe to add that code. So this is how I schedule the post, and I will already have my post laid out that I just copy and paste in Buffer. I can customize for each group. Now I'm going to come back because I really do want to include this video here where it has drag and drop. But this is Threads and it looks okay. And then I go to Instagram and it looks okay. I'm not going to worry about hashtags right now. And TikTok. I type a topic here. I can schedule it. I can schedule the post. Here it says I need to replace, I'm over 26 characters. So Threads, I need to take something out. I'll just take out all of this in Threads. So now go back up and check the other ones. Let's see. Instagram, please include image or video. I just clicked this just for the purpose of this presentation, but it's very simple. And now you see the green schedule post button is available. So I can go in here and schedule it for whatever date and time that I like. And that is how I've been scheduling so many posts. I use buffer.com, a free service.